In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use cryptocurrency to pay on Amazon, albeit indirectly, since Amazon does not currently accept crypto as a direct payment method. Now, let's dive into the current situation. As it stands, Amazon does not support the use of Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum directly at checkout. A spokesperson from Amazon has clarified that the company has no plans to introduce Bitcoin payments directly as part of their payment options. So, for those of us hoping to simply pick Bitcoin or another crypto from a list at checkout and pay right then and there, well, we might have to wait a bit longer. However, this doesn't mean you're entirely out of luck. Even if direct crypto payment isn't supported, there are still a few creative ways to use your crypto stash when shopping on Amazon. Let's explore a few popular workarounds that have become quite common these days. The first method involves buying Amazon gift cards with your cryptocurrency. There are numerous services that accept various cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Tether, and others to purchase Amazon gift cards. Some of the platforms you might consider include BitPay, Baxity, and various gift card marketplaces. Once you've successfully bought a gift card, you can redeem this on your Amazon account simply by navigating to Amazon's Gift Cards or Redeem a Gift Card section. Once the gift card balance is added to your account, it's as good as cash, ready to be spent on whatever Amazon goodies you love. Another effective method involves using a crypto-backed debit or virtual card. Some services offer these virtual or physical debit and credit cards that you can load with crypto. When you make a purchase through these cards, they convert your crypto into your local currency behind the scenes, allowing Amazon to recognize it as a regular card payment. BitPay is one such example. You top up the BitPay card with crypto and use it on Amazon just like any normal credit or debit card. Finally, there are browser extensions and plugins that can help bridge the gap between crypto and Amazon purchases. Tools like the Moon extension provide a way to pay using crypto by converting it to fiat during the checkout process. These tools act as intermediaries, allowing you to link your crypto wallet, and in essence, they provide Amazon with a payment method it recognizes. However, keep in mind that these are third-party tools, and they may include fees or have restrictions based on your region. So, while paying with crypto on Amazon directly isn't available just yet, these methods ensure you can still make the most of your digital currencies when shopping online. Explore these options based on your preferences and enjoy the seamless integration of the crypto world with your day-to-day online shopping.